Click on the link below to get price. The Canon EOS R7 mirrorless camera is a remarkable blend of advanced technology and user-friendly design, making it an excellent choice for both enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its 18 to 45mm lens and 128GB memory card, this kit is ready to capture stunning images right out of the box. One of the standout features of the EOS R7 is its 32.5 megapixel APS-C sensor. This high-resolution sensor delivers sharp, vibrant images with impressive detail, even in low-light conditions. The ISO range extends up to 32,000, allowing for versatile shooting in varying environments. Coupled with the camera's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system, autofocus is fast and precise, tracking subjects effortlessly, whether you're photographing fast-moving wildlife or shooting video. The camera's 5-axis in-body image stabilization is another significant advantage, minimizing shake and allowing for smoother handheld shooting. The 15 frames per second continuous shooting speed, with the electronic shutter, makes it perfect for capturing fleeting moments. Additionally, the vari-angle touchscreen is intuitive, making it easy to compose shots from various angles and shoot vlogs with ease. Canon's renowned color science shines through, producing natural skin tones and dynamic range that elevate the overall quality of your photographs. The camera supports 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, making it an excellent tool for videographers who want to capture high-definition footage. Battery life is commendable, allowing for extended shooting sessions without worrying about running out of power. The camera's compact and lightweight design ensures portability, making it an ideal companion for travel or everyday use. Overall, the Canon EOS R7 with the 18 to 45mm lens and 128GB memory card is a powerful and versatile camera that caters to a wide range of photographic styles. Whether you're snapping family portraits, capturing landscapes, or shooting videos, the EOS R7 delivers exceptional performance and image quality, solidifying its place as a top contender in the mirrorless market.